I did it. So I asked you this question. You had 5 integer quiz scores from 0 to 9, and the median, the mean, the mode, and the range were all the same. And then one of these quiz scores got bumped up by a point, and the median and the mode changed, but they stayed equal to each other. They were still equal to each other, but they changed. And I said I was going to try to think about this while I was in the dentist, and I got the answer. And here's how I did it. I treated these 5 quiz scores in order from lowest to greatest as A, B, M, C, and D. M is the median, obviously, but that means it has to also be the mode, the range, and the average. In order for the range to be M, you need D minus A to be M, or in other words, D is A plus M. In order for the mode also to be M, we need B or C to equal M, but the C value can't also be M because we're going to add 1 to one of the quiz values and the median is going to have to change. That won't happen if C is equal to M, so we know that B has to be M, and we also know that when I add 1 to M, it has to change the mode to M plus 1. So now the numbers look like A, M, M, M plus 1, and A plus M. But if we add up all of these 5 values, it has to equal 5M because the average is M. And then we get the fact that M is equal to 2A plus 1. So then we can just go through and check which values of A can work. 0 doesn't work. 1 won't work. If A is equal to 2, you do get 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, which meets all the criteria. If you bump A up to 3, you would get 3, 7, 7, 8, 10, but 10 is too big. 10 is beyond the range because the highest quiz score can only be 9. So the answer has to be 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, and then that 1, 5 gets bumped up to a 6. So that's the answer. Those are the 5 quiz scores, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7. If you got it, great job. If you didn't get it, well, hopefully you'll forget this answer, and next time you're at the dentist, you can try it yourself.